Good day, everyone. My name is Daname Esorgmak from BEd 2 Section 1. Become a teacher, shape the future, secure your future. So, magandang umaga, grade 12 graduates. Congratulations on this huge achievement. You are on your path of something amazing, choosing your future. Today, let's explore a career path that offers both incredible personal satisfaction and strong security. What is it? It is teaching. Why teaching? Teaching isn't just a job, it's a journey of discovery. It's about ingriding a passion for learning in young minds because you are teaching youngsters, you're teaching children, students, inspiring future leaders. You're teaching them, preparing them in their future. They might be a doctor, they might be nurses, mayors, like that, and making a real difference in the community. Why? Because when you're a teacher, you produce a better student, you produce a good student. By your learning, by the lessons, you will help the community overcome each problem because when they grow old, they have their job, they will also do their duties. Do you love learning? Are you energized by working with young people? If so, teaching might be your perfect calling. What are the rewards as a teacher? The rewards of teaching go far beyond paycheck. It's more than salary. Think about the daily intellectual stimulation, the constant daily improvement of yourself, the constant growth as you adapt your teaching styles, and the development of crucial skills like communication, problem solving, and leadership. Because as a teacher, as an educator, you should be also good in communication, how you solve a problem, and your leadership. Because the students have had hell up for you. Because you're a teacher for them, a leader, a guidance. You're the one who guide them. You have the creative freedom to design engaging lessons and watch your student thrive. Most importantly, you witness a firsthand the impact you have on their lives are truly fulfilling experience. Seeing them success with your hands by helping them. They are most very nice experience actually. When I was grade 12, we saw our teacher crying. She can't believe that we're proceeding in college. And she became my teacher, not advisor but teacher most of the time since I was preschool to grade 12. That's why I love my teacher. I can still remember her. How naughty I am before, and then how huge is the impact of her in my life. She witnessed us grow. She saw us thrive for grades, thrive for future. She prepared and equipped us in this page of my life, college life. Without her guidance, I might have hard time fighting in this phase of life because she gave me knowledge and wisdom to be prepared in college, which is she really prepared me. What are the benefits of an educator? Let's talk about the practical side. As a teacher in the Philippines, you receive a you will receive a competitive you will receive a competitive government salary because you're a teacher, you have your salary. a comprehensive health insurance through GSIS, and a robust retirement plan to enjoy generous vacation time for your health and work-life balance, plus ample opportunities for professional development and career achievement. There is so much more. There's so much more benefits that you can gain as a teacher. Note, there are many benefits. The specific salary that you will attain, and many more. And then, now let's address any concern teaching is challenging. Yes, it demands dedication and passion. Really, it is. But the support system is strong. Your government supports you. You'll receive a comprehensive training and ongoing mentorship. In college, you will be fully equipped enough to teach because you're having that course. They're preparing you, molding you to be a better teacher. The job security is excellent, with a constant need for skilled educators to produce a better future, better students. And remember those benefits and vacation time, they contribute they contribute to a sustainable and fulfilling lifestyle. They contribute in our lifestyle. Your path to teaching. If you want to teach, if you want to be an educator, ready to embark in this incredible journey, because you will experience many things. The first step is simple. Explore teacher education programs. You're exploring them, learning about them, and visit websites to learn about available programs, scholarship, and how we can support you in becoming a teacher. We're here to guide you in every step of our way. I'm encouraging you all to be a teacher because it's not just a job, it's a calling. And it's not just a job, it's more. There's so many things that can describe as a teacher because teaching is very broad, and then teaching is very nice because imagine you take part in the life of your students because you're the one who teach them and prepare them in their near future. So there are many things that you might think it's very hard course, it is very hard job. Yes, it is, but seeing fulfilling, maybe there are no job that is easy, right? So it is hard, but seeing your students success, seeing your student fulfill their dreams, and you know to yourself that you are part of it because you prepare him in the near future that she can or he cannot have a hard time to attain it because she or he is equipped. Isn't that amazing to think that you are part of a person's life? That's why for me I choose being educator because I love to teach and be part of their growth, guide them, and help them in their future. And so as do you. I'm hoping that you love to teach, that you'll choose education. And then it is very nice to think about the the benefits that you'll attain. More benefits, not just money, anything that the government can offer. I mean more than the affection of your students towards you, how they care for you and give importance to you. It is more, and it is priceless. That's why being an educator is not only a job, it is a calling. And that would be all. And I'm hoping that you love to have an education in the college life. And that would be all. Thank you and God bless. Bye.